Add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 cup of onion, half cup of garlic, ginger. Fry this for 2 minutes. Add 3 to 4 cinnamon, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, pepper seeds, add 1 cup of tomato, half cup of coriander leaves. Fry this for 2 minutes. Add 1 cup of grated coconut. Mix it well. Now transfer it to a mixer jar and blend it. Next to cooker, add oil and add 1 cup of onion. Fry the onion for 2 minutes. Now add clean coat intestine. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, coriander powder, Garam Masala. Mix everything well and fry for 5 minutes. Now add grained masala. Add salt as per your taste. Mix it well. Add 1 cup of water. Now close the lid and keep 6 to 7 whistles. Now the dish is ready to serve. For more videos, like, share and subscribe our channel.